Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to text like a pro in Capcut. First, open your project and tap Text to add a new text layer. You can then type your desired message. Explore the font options to find a style that fits your video's aesthetic. Easily adjust the text size and position it precisely on your screen for optimal visibility. This foundational step is crucial for all your text-based edits. Now, let's make your text pop with styles and effects. Dive into the Style tab to change colors, add shadows, or create outlines for better contrast. Capcut offers a wide range of animations, from subtle fades to energetic bounces, to introduce and exit your text smoothly. Experiment with various text effects to give your words a unique and engaging look that captures attention. Ready for some advanced techniques? Capcut's text-to-speech feature can narrate your text, adding an audio dimension to your visuals. Use the tracking tool to make your text follow a moving subject, creating a professional and integrated feel. For intricate movements or size changes, keyframes allow you to set specific points for your text transformation over time, offering ultimate control. To truly text like a pro, always prioritize readability. Choose fonts and colors that stand out clearly from your background. Consistency in your text styles, like using the same font and size for titles, builds a professional brand identity. Finally, perfectly sync your text with your audio or video actions to enhance engagement and deliver your message effectively and clearly.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.